Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Easter weekend and it's actually a video up already, but decided to make a quick little vlog video. And I actually shot already some footage for this, but part of it is not, I can't find anymore. So let's shoot that again. So welcome to the Easter weekend. Okay, so I tried out this homemade Luxe box, which is a craft subscription box. You get, I don't know if it was every month or you'd pick which one, or you could get it every month. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's not really important. I got it because I really liked this cute pumpkin design for the door wreath, but I never got to it last year. I forgot. It was busy. Anyway, so for Easter, when I got ready yesterday, I decided to make some Easter design out of this. So in the box there was this green, I don't know what this is called, bear lap, giant ribbon of bear lap. There was a green one, these two orange ones, and this one, because this is for to make that the stem thing up here. It's not focusing. Anyway, that. And these things, the squiggly things that pumpkins have. So this is supposed to be a pumpkin. But I decided to take that wreath. It's a metal wreath. You can't really see it now, but you will see it when I show you the footage I already shot before. And I'll show you the finished project in front of the door, on the door, sorry. So this is what it should have been, and then a bunch of eggs, wooden eggs, painted eggs. I put on my little Easter tree thing, kebab, on the front to show you too. So, and then I decided, then a second box come, and I just wanted one box, and I forgot that there was a second one coming, and it wasn't fast enough. But actually, I kind of like these shadow boxes. I'm going to use them for painting on them, because this next project is a little silly. It is like this, and I'm thinking, like, serious, this is 30 bucks for this goofy stuff, or whatever it was, 40 bucks, I don't remember. So that project was a little of a letdown, but I can still use all of the things, as even came with craft paint, which I don't really care for, but and stencils. Anyway, that's not the point. Let's go. I show you the footage now. I did when I did this wreath, and then I show you and it's hanging out the front door. Okay, so let's try this. I started wrapping. I only have like half an hour wrapping this around. Okay, so I just kind of wrap this stuff around it. Just make this little, like a little nest thing. Here's the bunny. So oh no, what I should do is, yeah. Okay, I'll do that after. I have these chicks and stick them on here. Let's see how I can do that without gluing them on. Stuck better than the flower is. One more. This one goes up here. Maybe it should be an egg and not the bunny. Try to tie these on there so I don't have to glue them on, so I'll get back to you on that. Here it is. So a few videos back, I showed you how to you put your art on greeting cards and get them printed at for print on demand, or just printed at your house, or printed at a printer like a Staples or whatever office supply store. I ordered the Canva print because you can actually print your own designs on Canva. Oh, and one Redbubble one. I'll show you. Here. So let's open those up and see what we think about the prints. Okay, so here we go. The first one. Let's first of all look at this beautiful box. Isn't that pretty? When you open it up. Wow. Okay. Got some sticker. Of course, they're doing the stickers too, just like Redbubble. And then there's a whole bunch of information on their printing. Thanks for bringing your design to life. All Canva. We're at Canva. We are committed to empowering the world to design and to make it better. A better place. That's why we sustainably source all of our products into packaging. Thank you for helping us in those efforts. Your print order has planted a tree, sorry, can read, in one of our locations in the Philippines. Haiti, can't read. Haiti, Madagascar, Kenya, and Mozambique. We are also committed to your happiness, so if you're not 100% satisfied with your product, just let us know and we'll fix it. For inspiration on blah 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 and so forth and so forth. And then you can tag them on Twitter or Instagram. I might do that. And there's a little thank you note. Very cute. So there's a package in a package. And look, they have environment friendly packaging. Cool. It all seems impossible until it's done. One print, one tree. Cool. So every time they make a print, they plant a tree, which is awesome. Anyway, I'm going to keep this for future, who knows what, packaging. So hey, in case you want to buy any prints of mine, little plug, go down there, check out my website, and go on to print on demand. There's Redbubble and Society 6 and whatever, and yeah, you can print your own cards or whatever. I don't have a Canva store because they don't have any. They should actually, but anyway, that's another story. Okay, so this is how it came. The only problem I have with this, because I opened it up and peeked in it, it is not a greeting card. Maybe I pushed the wrong button when I ordered it, because it's kind of weird. You have to buy a few of them, even though it comes with an envelope. Yeah, I don't know. But I do like the print. It's kind of glossy, which is not necessarily the most beautiful thing, but yeah. I like you can see all the, and it is glossy, but it has a little texture to it. And I like that you can see all the texture. The print is good for a card. So I'm going to use those for thank you cards. Okay, now let's see Redbubble, what they have to. It's a different form. It's smaller because I can't remember if you can. Again, I can't remember with research and stuff if you can choose card sizes. But I just this one comes with a brown envelope, which is kind of funny that they don't have a brown one. And here's the card. And I don't know what has this somebody bent it. It wasn't me. A little bit annoyed by that. So, minus points for that. And it also says here the title of your print. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, and my name. The shop name. And yeah, I definitely got bent. Don't know. So, kind of, I don't know, maybe I can iron it out. Okay, so let's see the other card for comparison. Also, this one is way bigger. Again, I don't know if we can change the sizes, but oops. Hey, which one is better? This one, I didn't design that on there because that came after to make it a thank you card, but either way, that's not. Just see. I think this one is a little better. This one is more. The colors are not as vibrant. It's not focusing. Oh yeah, now it is. See that? This one has nicer colors. And this one has texture, this one doesn't. Yeah, the what do you call it? The contrast is better with this than with this. This is flatter. Like it's all right. It's just a card. But if this would be a print, I don't know. Anyway, but this is cheaper. Can't remember how much I paid for it, but this was like $5. This was and it's only a one sheet thing. You can't even. So there's my 2 cents for that. It's a good comparison. I don't know. Did I not get a sticker? I usually get a sticker. I don't see it unless it fell out before because I opened it up. Checked it out what it was. Wow. Okay guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments which one of these prints, thank you, which one of these prints you like. Make sure you check out the links below because there's some good stuff down there. There's some affiliate links for Canva, Skillshare, and if they're not working anymore, they let me know and I'll fix them because I don't know, sometimes there are time limited, but I can't remember. You know, I put links down there and it's kind of annoying that you have to update them, but anyway, let me know. There's links to my website where you can get the information on the print on demand, and of course you can buy my art on there and just check it out. It's a kind of a beautiful website. I think it's really nice, so go check that out below there. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you like this video and just give it a comment. It really helps to get my word out there. My videos get barely any views, so it would really be nice. Appreciate every like and share and comment you can get. Okay, and check out the Instagram because there I usually post whatever goes on, and Facebook. So happy Easter, everyone.